Up next in third position is the DJI Mavic Air. The DJI Mavic Air 2 drone quadcopter is one of the newest drones in the Mavic series, and it's a truly stunning piece of machinery. The first thing you'll notice about this drone is its size. It's small and light enough to fit in your hands, yet it still has all of the features that make DJI drones so popular. This drone has a camera that can take photos with a 48 megapixels resolution. The drone also has a 3-axis gimbal to keep the image steady and stable. With it, you'll get clearer images and videos, even when shooting moving objects. The Mavic Air can fly up to 4 miles away from you, which is great for distant shots without losing contact with the drone. It can fly for up to 30 minutes at a time before needing to recharge its batteries. It's so easy to use and has all of the features that any photographer or videographer would want in their drone. Features include a high-resolution camera and video recording abilities, 360-degree rotation capabilities, a GPS tracking system, and much more. This drone has a powerful camera that allows for clear aerial shots, and you can also fly it indoors without worrying about damage or crashing because of its advanced sensors and obstacle avoidance system. If you're looking for something even more advanced, then look no further than the Mavic, as it comes equipped with 2 cameras, one facing forward and one downward facing. Its incredible portability and its ability to shoot 4K video makes it perfect for those who want to capture their adventures in high definition. If you're looking for something that's compact and versatile, then the Mavic Air 2 is a drone that you may want to consider.